There are so many credit reporting agencies out there. There's credit reporting agencies like the main three credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. There's credit bureaus for reporting rent, car accidents, insurance claims, all types of different things. It's so many out there. LexisNexis, they're out there reporting about, courts. Or if you guys have like a bankruptcy, it will be there. There's so many agencies out there, and I talk to you guys about these different agencies within my membership, because a lot of times I want you guys to dispute the different accounts that's with these agencies, so that your information is not out there like the negative accounts. You don't want the negative information showing, but there are so many of them out there. I just don't know how many to tell you. It's just so many. Now let's actually go ahead and look at them, because there's so many of them. So what I'm going to do is, let's go ahead and just search. I'm going to copy what you put. Let's put list of. How many credit reporting agencies out there? There's the three main bureaus. Complete list of credit reporting agencies. So, got it. Look, nationwide. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the main ones. And then you have all of these employment. They're reporting your employment. So all these agencies are reporting employment, tenant screenings. All of these do tenant screening, credit and banking screenings. All of these do credit and banking screenings, personal property insurance. All of these, the clue report, you see that a lot, especially on your auto. I seen that because I had a car accident, so I seen that clue report. But this right here, low income and subprime, we have all of these here. And alternative credit reports, look at all of these. So medical, utilities, rental, gaming. It's a lot of credit reporting agencies out there, you guys. Like when I tell y'all I couldn't tell y'all, I couldn't, we have to count it right now for me to tell you, but it's a lot of them out there, and they report on different things. So yes, there's a lot of them out there, depending on what you are trying to remove from your credit reports, or what you're trying not to have out there. You might need to figure out, if you get denied for something, they're supposed to tell you where they got the information from. As soon as they tell you where they got the information from, then you can go to that company and you can start telling them to stop sharing information and start disputing that information. Make sure it's accurate. Everything has to be 100% accurate on these different reports, and that is our right. So if you find something that's not accurate, then you can dispute it. They don't want to remove it, please don't be scared of taking the court to have them remove it. Okay.